If you're an agency or a freelancer and you're struggling to generate a consistent flow of leads for your business, then this video is for you. We've created systems and strategies that drive 80 to 100 inbound qualified leads every month for our business. And today I'm going to show you those exact strategies and how you can implement them for your agency. And the best part is you don't need to spend thousands of pounds on expensive ads to make this work. Now, if you're new here, hi, I'm Kurt from One Base Media, and for over a decade, we've been helping local businesses get more leads, more customers, and ultimately make more money. Our videos reveal tips for local businesses to boost their online presence and also help agencies and freelancers streamline their operations and get some really amazing results for their clients. So if you find our content useful, remember to like it and don't forget to subscribe so that you never miss a video. Right, now the first piece of advice we usually give to agency owners, freelancers, and social media marketers is to niche down on their industry. Now, I'll be honest, there are a lot of do-it-all agencies out there offering everything from Google Ads to Facebook marketing to web design. But when offering hundreds of different services in your agency, it makes it really difficult to scale your business. Plus, you're targeting everyone from local businesses to e-commerce. Building content for your own website and social channels is difficult to reach a specific audience. That's why the first thing you should focus on is narrowing down your niche. Because once you niche down, you can create specific pieces of marketing content that targets the pain point of your customer. Let me give you an example. This website, Grow Law Firm, focuses solely on marketing for law firms, and they've really nailed down their niche. If we run their website through SEMrush, you'll see they're getting around 11,000 organic visitors every month. That's all free traffic from Google. Now, what's really impressive is that their site hasn't been around for all that long, but just in a couple of years, their traffic has skyrocketed. It's all organic and they're ranking for tons of high value keywords like attorney marketing, best SEO for lawyers, and more. They've built out pages dedicated to specific services, just like we do on our own site, and that's really helped them capture and convert traffic. If we take a look at our website, you'll see that we rank for a wide range of keywords. These are competitive keywords, and we've got dedicated pages for every service we provide, from roofing leads to plumbing leads, roofing SEO, and more. This content helps our site rank well and brings in consistent traffic. So if we take a look at our analytics, you can see we get over 6,500 monthly users visiting our site. This brings us a steady stream of leads every month. So the goal is to build a substantial website that targets a specific demographic, then create blogs, videos, and podcasts that directly address the problems and needs of that audience. This helps with SEO, but also positions you as an expert in that niche, making it easier for potential clients to find and trust you. This just goes to show how powerful it can be to focus on a specific niche, build out a targeted content, and then watch as your organic traffic takes off. It's a solid strategy that's working for us, and it's something you can replicate in your own business. Now, the second strategy is to build a YouTube channel just like the one you're watching now. If you check out our YouTube channel, you'll see that we focus on showing people exactly what we do. We create videos on link building, local SEO, ranking higher in the map pack, local marketing, and more. These videos generate thousands of views each month. And what happens is people watch these videos and then reach out to inquire about our services. Now, with our YouTube channel, you're not looking to hit millions of views per video. We're not trying to compete with Mr. Beast here.
I just dropped these two strangers off in the middle of the wilderness.
Even videos with a few hundred views can generate a good amount of leads because the right people are watching your videos. The key is to structure your videos in a way that speaks directly to the pain points your audience is facing. First, start by calling out the problem. For example, if you're targeting law firms, you might say something like, is your law firm struggling to generate enough leads? Or are your leads not pre-qualified? Then offer a promise about how you will address this issue in the video. After that, dive into the content and provide as much value as you can. Finally, end with a strong call to action, encouraging viewers to reach out to you if they need help. The reality is a lot of these business owners don't have the time or resources to handle this stuff themselves because they're busy running their businesses. So when they see your videos solving these problems, they'll likely reach out to you for help. Now, the beauty of having a YouTube channel is that you can repurpose that content across multiple platforms. This approach works for any business. By creating content across YouTube, your website, and social media, you'll be everywhere your target audience is. Now, the last strategy is to create short form videos. These are perfect for platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and even X. The great thing about short form content is that you don't need millions of views to make an impact. Just constantly posting every day with the right approach can generate a lot of traffic. Again, the format is the same. Start by calling out a problem, promise a solution, deliver that value in under a minute, and end with a clear call to action. Just by posting short form content every day, we've managed to generate hundreds of thousands of views collectively. So if you want to learn more about growing your agency, getting more leads, and streamlining your operations, click the link in the description of this video. It will give you instant access to a full training pack. And thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you never miss our future content. Also, drop us a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you have. We read and respond to all of the comments. And if you want more tips on running an agency and getting more leads, then there's a link in the description where we've built a series of videos. Have a great day. I'll see you on the next one.